Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility so you can change behavior without extra taps. Once there, tap Touch and choose AssistiveTouch. This is the control hub for the feature. You do this because AssistiveTouch sits under Touch rather than General Settings, so navigating directly saves time. Make sure the iPad is unlocked, and if prompted, enter your passcode. Then you'll see the AssistiveTouch toggle ready for the next step. Now toggle AssistiveTouch off. That removes the floating button immediately. Once done, tap back to Accessibility Shortcuts and make sure AssistiveTouch isn't assigned to a triple click, because that shortcut can re-enable it unexpectedly. Also check Control Center settings and remove AssistiveTouch from included controls so a swipe up or swipe down won't turn it back on. These steps ensure the feature stays off rather than returning via shortcuts or quick access gestures. Finish by confirming the floating icon is gone and test normal gestures like home or swipe up to be sure functionality is restored. If the button persists after you toggle off, restart the iPad. A reboot clears stuck accessibility processes. Make sure your iPad OS is up to date, and if nothing works, reset all settings will remove lingering configuration without erasing data. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.